This is a DAstronix presentation.
This video shows how to splice the Optix America 3X Splice-On connector. 1. Place strain relief boot and splice protector onto the fiber to be terminated. The assembly of the 3X Splice-On connector is very simple as there is only 3 parts. 2. Prepare the fiber for termination and load it into the fusion splicer. 3. Prepare the Splice-On connector fiber and load it into the fusion splicer. The 3X Splice-On connector can be used in any fusion splicer and no special adapters or holders are required. If a poor cleave or a poor splice is made, the technician has the opportunity to make 2 additional splice attempts as there is enough fiber length for 2 additional cleaves. This will virtually eliminate the Splice-On connector from being wasted. 4. Perform the fusion splice. 5. Remove the fibers and center the splice protector over the fusion splice. 6. Shrink the splice protector in the heater oven. 7. Remove the fusion splice from the oven and install the strain relief boot onto the connector. The very flexible strain relief boot can fit in tight enclosures and wall boxes as the boot can be configured to where the cable has to be routed. The strain relief boot has the added bonus of preventing macro bends as the technician will not be able to make any sharp bends when routing the fiber.
For more information, visit us at DAstronixUSA.com.